It's gentle. I think it's not hot. Is it hot? Gentle, ah. You don't know how to use it. See?
No.
You spill already. See? Ah. Wow, what's this? What is that? Oh, you can use my plate. Take out now the very big spoon. Okay? Say good morning.
Hi.
Everybody, good morning.
Hi. Is this
The smell. See?
There is it.
Wow, what's this? Would you like some banana? It's too hot. Yeah, it's so delicious. You know how to open?
It's wet.
You know how to open?
Wet.
It's wet. Be careful your milk.
Wet.
Wait. Because we having some breakfast on the woods. What happened?
This was spoon.
There's a spoon. You got your runny nose. Where's the tissue? Oh no, your runny nose. I get some tissue. So you eat this one? Okay, you can use that one. Got runny nose. Eee. Okay, how you open this one? Oh no, but it's gonna rain now.
No, it's sky.
The sky is starting to rain. What? Can you open it? You know how to open. Good morning. Let's take coffee. Is it wet? Oh, you blow.
Wow.
What's happened?
Big. Rainbow. Wow.
There's a rainbow?
Wow.
Hi, good morning.
Eating.
What's that?
Where is Shitterby?
Oh no, I think it's starting going to rain. Oh no, our picnic is spoiled. Spoil our picnic.
Stop it.
No, don't put there. No. You dirty it. You can cut here. See? You can cut like this. Don't use your hand. Yeah, it's still hot.
Hot.
Blow your blow it. See? You put on there.
Red.
It's okay. Okay, enjoy your breakfast. Say thank you for the food.
Thank you.
Thank you. Amen. God bless our food. How is it? Is it delicious? What's that? What do you call that? What do you call that? What you eating? What do you call? Is a banana? Delicious. Just bite, you chew. Slowly chew. Look at this. Our table before. No, don't throw there. We throw to the. Come on. Yeah. No, don't use that one. Alexandra is having breakfast on the woods. In the woods. That's sweet potato. Kamote. Kamote. It's raining. Okay, hurry up. Do you like it? This is kamote, fresh from the farm with
Wow.
cousin
What is that?
Kuya Danny. That sweet potato from Kuya Danny's farm. And I'm here also. See? Oh no, you drop it. It's dirty now. Don't put it back. Put here. Dirty now. Okay. You drink your milk. Sit down and drink milk.
No.
You can use this spoon. This one. Smaller.
Wow.
Be careful your milk. You don't know how to use it to drink it. Stir. Delicious.